Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne and today I've got a gift wrapping idea for Christmas that might solve a few of those problems when you've got really weird shaped things to wrap. And it is quite simply a bag. A little bag, just like the ones that you buy in card shops. You can put handles on it if you wish. And they're great for dropping in presents and then at the end of Christmas, ask the people that you gave the presents to flatten the bags and give them back to you for next year. Pop them there. So, I mean, they're great for perfumes, drinks bottles, strange things that you're going to struggle to wrap. And also, if you make them out of a decent weight scrapbooking paper, probably no more than about 160 gram, then they will last several festive seasons, and you can just change the decorations and the tags on them. So this bag here is made from a 12 by 12 sheet. This bag here is made from an 8-inch square sheet. And this bag here was made from an A4 sheet. So the size of your bag will obviously depend on the size of your piece of paper. But I'm going to show you one with an A4 sheet to start with. Very simply, turn it right side down and then just fold over 1 centimetre at the top. This step isn't imperative, but what it does do is it means that you've got a sturdier top of the bag, and also it's not going to get dog-eared quite so easily. Fold that down and glue it. Turn it this way and fold one side almost to the middle. Give it a crease. And take it back and crease it the other way. Just so you've got a nice movable fold on there. And then you just want to overlap this one by about 1 centimetre. And again, crease it one way, fold it back and crease it another way. And then you can glue it. But if you've ever watched my demonstrations before, you know I have a real issue with glue drying in time for me to move on to the next step. So I'm going to use double-sided tape for this one. Like a rebel, I'm not even going to use scissors to cut it. To just secure that back fold. So that's essentially your bag shape. But then what you need to do is, let's indent this by about 2.5 centimetres this time. Get yourself a gridded cutting mat, a ball-ended tool and a ruler. And score down both sides 2.5 centimetres in from the edges. And then fold one way, turn it over, fold it again the other way. And then take the bottom edge of your bag, the edge that you haven't tucked the top into, and score on the back edge, or the back side of it, where you've got the join. Score 1 centimetre first of all. This is for an overlap. And then whatever distance you scored in on the sides, score it again here, so 2.5 centimetres. And then score it another 2.5 centimetres. Fold it up on those score lines just to ease things for you. And then put your hand inside the bottom of the bag, open out this bit, and as you're doing so, push out those angles so that you can press the sides of the bag up to that line. Like so. So your sides have become your base. And then this line here, I'll try and fold it along the score line that you've made. Because the key to a successful bag is actually keeping your lines parallel and at right angles. And then what I would suggest you do, again, this is a step that isn't always necessary, but it does mean that your bag will always fold up neatly for next year, is if you put a bit of double-sided tape on these triangular portions here, on these little triangular sections here, put double-sided tape, and then if you fold it down, it will stick it to there, but it won't stick it to the inside of the bag. Do the same with the other side. Just peel that backing tape off. And this time you also want to put a piece of double-sided tape on that top section there, because that will hold the bottom of your bag closed. So then when you fold that bit up, again preferably along the score lines that you folded earlier, you can stick it to the base, like so. Now you've done that, you need to fold this back on itself. And then if you pop your hand inside the bag, you can then square out these corners with the base. So as you can see, you've got a nice flat bag. And then concertina fold in the sides. And then as you get that concertina fold, we'll do it on the back actually, as you poke that concertina fold down, you should just be able to press that so that the base of the bag will sit flat, so you can keep it flat for storage. And again, just to open it up, nice and square, and then just pop yourself a little greeting on the front of it with a peg to keep it closed. Or as I've done with this bag, punch a pair of holes and thread it with yarn to tie a tag on. Or with this bag, use leftover paper just to fold some straps, fold them in a U shape and stick them to the inside of the bag with double-sided tape. So there's a variety of ways that you can decorate your finished bag. But quite a nice little project just for gifting this Christmas. Hope you enjoyed that idea. I hope you'll come and see us again very, very soon. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll get notification every time we post a new video up. And we've got lots of festive ideas in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, keep safe, and we'll see you soon. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.